Wow, it's harvest time in Japan. This is how we do it in Japan. Our rice fields, you can see, stretch here for a long ways. And here's how we do it in Japan. See the man on the tractor? It's called a little rice harvester. It's the size they do. Here he comes. Watch how he comes. The little machine, he rides it like a horsey. Cool, isn't it? Wow. Here we are in Japan, and this is how we harvest our rice here in Japan. Wasn't that cool? A really cool little scene of how the Japanese harvest their rice. Have one more look as he heads off into the horizon on his little Kubota rice harvester.